Hello children. So let us continue with our chapter, that is chapter number 9, congruence of triangles. So now let us learn more detail about congruent triangles or congruency of triangles. So it is written here that congruent triangles are triangles that have same size and shape. This means that the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. So let us see. I have taken a triangle whose sides are ABC and angles are X, Y, Z. So every triangle has 6 elements, that is 3 sides and 3 angles. We have one more triangle whose sides are DEF and angles are TSU. Here I can say that the corresponding side, it is given here, the corresponding sides are A and D, B and E, C and F. Similarly, the corresponding angles are X and S, T and Y, and Z and U. So if these are equal, the two triangles will be congruent. So children, now we know that every triangle has 6 parts, that is 3 sides and 3 angles, and if all pairs of corresponding parts of two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. But if I know only 3 parts of a triangle, is it sufficient to prove that the two given triangles are congruent? Yes. So if I know only 3 parts of a triangle also, I can prove that the two triangles are congruent. Now let us see. See, criteria for congruence of triangles. So taking only 3 parts of a triangle, how can I prove the two triangles are congruent? We will just learn now. So there are 5 rules to check for congruent triangles. First rule is SSS rule, that is side, side, side. We will be learning in detail each of this rule. Now I am just naming this. Second one, that is SAS rule, that is side, angle, side rule. Next is ASA rule, that is angle, side, angle rule. AAS, angle, angle, side rule. And the last one, that is RHS rule, that is right hypotenuse side rule. So now let us learn each of them in detail. So children, let us start with the first test, that is SSS congruence test, or it is also known as side, side, side congruence test. Now at this stage we know that if all the 3, that is 6 parts of a triangle are congruent to the 6 parts of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So let us see if we are knowing only the 3 parts, like if we know only the 3 sides, can the two triangles be congruent? So here I have written, if 3 sides of a triangle are equal to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. And this is known as side, side, side condition. That shows that if I know the 3 sides of a triangle, that is of one triangle, is congruent to 3 corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles will be congruent. Let us take an example. Here I have taken a triangle, that is ABC and DEF. So side AB is equal to side DE, and we can see that side AC is equal to side DF and side BC is equal to side EF. So I can say these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Now once I prove that these two triangles are congruent, then I can say that the remaining 3 corresponding parts, that is angles of these two triangles also will be congruent. So let us see how to write this. So here I have written, first name the triangle, that is in triangle ABC and DEF. Side AB is equal to side DE. Side AC is equal to side DF. Side BC is equal to side EF, and so these two triangles will be congruent by SSS test. So once these two triangles are congruent, the remaining parts, that is the angles, also will be congruent. So how will I write it? That is, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Now the reason given here is CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So now let us come to the next one, that is the side angle side criterion or SAS test. Now what is this now? See, here it says that if I have two sides and the included angle of a triangle, and it is told that they are equal to corresponding two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. And the word included says that the angle is between the two equal sides. Now, if I know that if the two sides and the included angle of one triangle is equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Now let us see this. Now I have taken a triangle ABC and DEF. So from the figure it shows that side AB is equal to DE, side BC is equal to EF. And the included angle, that is angle between these two sides, angle B is equal to angle E. So these two triangles will be congruent by SAS test. And so once these two triangles are congruent, I can say that remaining three parts, that is two angles on one side of triangle ABC, will be equal to triangle DEF. Now let us see how to write this. So it is written here in triangle ABC and DEF, side AB is equal to side DE. The included angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Side BC is equal to side EF. So these two triangles will be congruent to each other by SAS test. So once I say this, now I'll write the remaining parts, that is angle A is equal to angle D. Angle C will be equal to angle F and side AC will be equal to DF. Again we will write the reason as CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So children, today we have learned two tests, that is SSS test and SAS test. Let us continue with our remaining test in our next video. Thank you.